Hey y'all, I'm just going to do a quick video explaining to you how to navigate the folders and or through the plans or through resources. So if you make sure that you're under 36 weeks in our class, and you'll see plan for today, and it has 4 folders here. So what you're going to do is you have to complete 2 of the 4 folders to get a 100 for your assignment. These are all different topics that are going to be on your final exam. So if you click open the poetry one, I've put in there how to analyze a poem, some poetry vocab, and you should see either Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening A if you're 8A, or Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening B, right? So if you click on it, you're going to read the passage, and you can click here and it will open up the passage for you, the poem. Read the poem, and then you just need to answer the questions, okay? You get 2 attempts on each assignment so that you can hopefully get a 100. Okay, it's only 6 questions. All right, so same thing. So you must complete 2. Each folder contains an assignment and then just extra things to help you, like notes. All right, so here's the PDF there, but if you click on the actual assignment, you can access the article there as well. Okay. All right, and then you would just go back through and answer the questions. All right. All right, perfect. So same thing for diction and syntax. And then for the prompt folder, there's basically a way you can practice writing your essay before you actually have to turn it in on OnTrack. So this is just for practice. It is not actually, you're not actually turning in your essay on the hub. You'll be turning your essay in on OnTrack. And then here's quizzes. It's extra review and practice. So you can open that up, type your name in, and then hit start. And then it'll basically quiz you over things like editing and different terms. Okay, so if you want to access through resources, you're going to hit resources. You're going to go to 36 weeks, and you'll see an actual final folder. Okay, in the folder, I give you instructions. Remember, each will be worth 50 points. Any extra assignments that you do will count as 10 points each on your final. So you can get an additional 20 points of extra credit on your final if you complete all 4 assignments. Okay, so there are the folders again. You'll see the exit ticket, the prompt, final exam questions, the quizzes, and then actually if you want to see the whole class recording, you can click here and watch it, and then it'll give you all the information that you may have missed. All right, but as always, reach out to me if you have any questions, any comments, or any concerns, and I will be more than happy to assist you. All right, thanks guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.